Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure that you don't have any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body? Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. Our
Yes, ma'am.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you agree?
Okay, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is a safe place.
Sorry? Safe
Because
place.
safe place.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am.
Help me introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Sahara Sabrina Aguasito. I'm 37 years old. I have 2 kids.
And then that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you married or you are single parent?
I'm married.
You are married. When is your birthday?
May 21, 1988.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11" and my weight is 46.
46. Your weight is 46. It's not 60 kg.
46 kilogram.
Your height is 4'11".
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children you have?
I have 2 kids. Twins.
Twins. Okay, so you got a kid which is twins. You
Yes,
got 2
ma'am.
kids, twins. How old?
6 years old.
6 years old. So this is your first time working abroad. Is your
Yes.
husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
41 years old.
And then, what about the occupation?
It's a dicer po.
Dicer. Okay. So who will going to take care of your twins later once you come to work here in Malaysia, knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
My mother.
Are you sure that you wanted to work here as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot go back. This is a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Is housewife.
How old is she?
60.
60. How many brother and sister do you have?
1 brother and 1 sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the youngest.
You are the youngest. So do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
I'm oldest po.
You are
Sorry
the eldest. Okay. Do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
At Caloocan City.
How many years you worked there?
2 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2016 to 2018.
What is your job responsibilities there?
I can take care taking care of baby, cleaning house, washing clothes, ironing, and washing plates.
You cook there.
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
2.
How old are those children?
2 kids po. 2 years old and 5 years old.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
End of contract.
End of contract. After 2018, do you have any working experience?
Nothing.
So you are a full-time mother way back 2018 and until recently, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can pass your 2 years or you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
You could not simply say you wanted to go back home because homesickness attacked you every time. Or you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Okay? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia and working as a domestic helper. This is a very tough job. Okay, this is not an easy job. Employers here in Malaysia is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big and you need to get ready yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes po, ma'am.
What dishes you can prepare then if you know how to cook?
Like pancakes, sinigang,
And then,
adobo.
are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, okay? So don't tell us, Mom, can I use my phone for 24 hours? No such a thing, okay? Because
Yes,
you will be working here, you come to work here to find some money to sustain your family's needs and not to hold on your phone every day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And of course, we are a no-go out policy here. You cannot go out during your rest day. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. It means if you rest day, you will going to stay only inside the employer's house. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Oh, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Being a first-timer, frequently homesickness will attack you. How will you gonna handle it later?
I will call my family.
And then,
If I have to, I will call my
always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. Because you wanted to sustain your family's job and you wanted to sustain your family's needs, okay? And you wanted to give them a better future ahead, okay? So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. We need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. We need to humble ourselves. We need to humble ourselves because we are a foreigner here in this country. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank
much
you.
and have a good day.